So we drove 17 miles here.
Okay guys, how you doing? Hey, we made it to our camping area. We're all the way up in the Adirondacks. It's called Moose Lakes, or Moose River Plains. Is what this area is called. Pretty decent area. It's a lot of forest. We're in camp number 1. Got a fire place, and we got some firewood. I don't know who left it there, but somebody did. I guess they like us. Camping spots all over the place here. Nice area. Ranger station there, run by solar power. That's where you go up into the woods there on that drive to the other campsites. And there's a guy over there camping. And there's a lake on the other side. And then there's a bridge here that goes over. I don't know what that bridge goes to. There's a bridge. That's what we're talking about. There's picnic tables down in the woods. I guess that's another tent site down in there. If they want to be, I guess. I don't know. And the mosquitoes are the size of airplanes here. Big airplanes. That's it.
Yeah.
Here's our coach sitting here.
Come on, Ro. Ro. I'm trying to be quiet. There's some campsites over here. There's campsites over here on this side of the bridge. Yeah. We really didn't want to take our RV across the bridge. There's a lot of bugs over here, more than on the other side. I just got a fish jumping.
Team Terry here.
We slept really well last night.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Haven't seen any bears yet.
No bears.
Lots of bugs.
A lot of bugs, pretty birds flying around. We've seen a heron take off already. We're just looking for bears. Haven't seen nothing yet.
So this is where you register, but we already registered up at the ranger station. 14-day stay. So there's this little place that you can put your kayaks in or whatever you have. Canoes. We're camping up there. There's more campsites if you drive up that road up there. This is the view from the front of our motorhome. Starting a fire.
Yeah, this is the life. Enjoying a little campfire. We're setting in our camp.
Free wood.
Free wood. The state DEC, they bring it by and set it out at each campsite, which is very nice of them. A little bit green, but I ain't gonna complain. At least it's burning. And it's a beautiful day out. It's probably 70, 75, somewhere around in there. Nice cool breeze. The sun is behind us, hitting the solar panel, so we're recharging our batteries in the coach. Thank you again to Go Power for providing us with that portable solar panel. It's working great.
Rudy enjoying the fire.
Yes, Mom, I am.
We're cooking our dinner. I'm gonna cook potatoes, onions, and some shaved steak. You can hear it sizzling.
Yummy. Well, it wasn't good working good on the grill, so we made a agreement that we put the grill up and set the pan right on top of the red hot coals.
That's the good thing about having a cast iron pan.
Cast iron pans. So the wife just put the meat on.
Shaved beef.
Shaved beef, and there it is.
We'll show you when it's finished.
Yeah, we'll give you a look at what it looks like when it's finished, and then that'll be it. That'll be the end of the story for this meal. Hey, how you guys doing today? We've had a beautiful day. Am I right?
Oh yeah.
And
We went for a hike. We did some, don't look at me, I look
yeah,
awful.
go ahead. No, you look beautiful.
Went for a hike, did a little exploring about where we're going to go in the future, and we took a nap.
Oh yeah, well, that nap was great. It was well needed. Okay, we're gonna see what the finished product looks like. There we go, people. Yummy. We're talking yummy in the tummy.
My dad, look at me. Come on here. We're gonna go in and go into the water. It's so nice and cool. Ooh, it's a little deep there. My belly's cold. Gotta go to the beach. Help, Mom. Hey, Mom, look at me. I'm in the water.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye. What kind of net?